Let's be honest. Being in debt feels like drowning with no way up for air. Late payments, constant stress, that sinking feeling every time your phone rings, just in case it's the bank. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. Getting out of debt isn't just possible. It's a game you can win. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a plan and discipline to stick to it. In this video, I'm giving you a simple step-by-step system to get out of debt for good. Let's dive in. Section 1. Face the numbers. Step 1 is the hardest, but the most important. Face the total amount you owe. You can't fix what you won't face. Make a list of every single debt. Credit cards, personal loans, student loans, car loans, medical bills. Any money owed to people, list the total balance, minimum monthly payment, and interest rate for each. Yes, it might feel scary. But now, you've taken control. The fog is clearing. Section 2. Stop the bleeding. Before we talk payoff strategies, we need to stop the debt from growing. This means no more new debt. Hide your credit cards. Delete shopping apps. Cut unnecessary expenses. Streaming, subscriptions, takeout. It adds up. Pause lifestyle inflation. No upgrades. No new gadgets. Not yet. Right now, every dollar needs a mission. Your job is to plug the leaks. Section 3. Create a starter emergency fund. This might sound weird, but don't throw every dollar toward debt just yet. First, save a small emergency fund, around $500 to $1,000. Why? Because life happens. Car breaks down. Unexpected bill hits. If you don't have savings, you go right back into debt. Think of this fund as your shield. It protects your progress. Section 4. Pick your payoff strategy. There are two proven ways to attack debt. The debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first. Why? Quick wins build momentum. The debt avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you more money in the long run. Either way, you pay minimums on all debts. Throw all extra money at one target until it's gone. Then move on to the next. Pick one method. Stick to it. Every debt you knock out is fuel to keep going. Section 5. Increase your income. Let's be real. Budgeting is only half the battle. You also need more income. You can sell stuff you don't use. Take a weekend side hustle, Uber, Instacart, tutoring. Freelance a skill, design, writing, consulting. Ask for more hours or negotiate a raise. Every extra $100 helps. This isn't forever. It's for freedom. Section 6. Automate and track progress. Set up automatic payments to make sure you never miss a due date. Use a simple tracker, spreadsheet, notebook, or app to see your balance go down. Make it visible, print it, color it in. Celebrate milestones. Debt freedom isn't a dream, it's a target, and every payment brings you closer. Section 7. Stay motivated. Getting out of debt is not just math, it's emotion, it's mindset. Remind yourself why you started. To sleep without anxiety. To stop living paycheck to paycheck, to own your time. To build wealth, not stress. Every time you want to give up, remember, debt is temporary. Freedom is forever. Section 8. Celebrate debt. Freedom. One day, if you stick to the plan, you'll make your final payment. No more interest, no more minimums, no more chains. Just you, in control of your money and your life. Celebrate it. Tell your story. Help someone else start their journey. Look, getting out of debt takes effort. But staying in debt? That costs everything. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today. Your freedom is waiting. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. This is your debt-free game plan.